This illustration deals with the largest between the heating and air conditioner, in accordance with 220.60 of the NEC. Now notice we have a heating unit that we would look at 20 kW rating in accordance with 220.51. We see the blower motor in 220.50. The AC unit now is 2.5 kW in accordance with 440.34. The attic fan is also present at 1200 VA, which is listed in 220.14C. Now notice we have three units here that are considered loads. We select the largest, and then we would drop the smaller of the other two loads. So now, computing the largest motor, as required in 220.60 of the NEC, we would take the attic fan at 1200 VA at 100%, we'd come up with 1200 VA, or you could tack 125% on it and come up with 1500 VA. The heating load is 20 kW times 1000 times 100% equal 20,000. The AC unit would be naturally 2.5 kW times 1000 times 100%, 2500. So without a doubt, the heating unit at 20 kW is much larger than the other two, so the other two loads would be dropped, and we would keep the 20,000 VA in the solution, and the answer is 20,000 VA, and we would comply with 220.60. Now this is our figure 1-16A that we're reviewing here.